How to disable game bar in Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what we want to do first is go to our search bar right here and then just search up for Windows PowerShell. And then once you find Windows PowerShell, what you want to do is to run it as an administrator. So you can either right click it, run as administrator, or you could just simply click on run as administrator right here. There you go. And then after that, just simply click on yes. And after that, Windows PowerShell will now be open. So what you want to do in here is to just type in this command right here. So yep, I'll just copy this and then I'll just paste in the command right there. So the command is get dash app x package space dash all users space Microsoft.Xbox gaming overlay space and then align space again and then remove dash app x package. So yeah, so once you're done typing in that command, what you want to do is you just simply click on enter. There you go. And then after that, just wait for it to finish. And then there you go. So it's now done. It is now done removing. So after that, Windows game bar will now be disabled. So when I click on Windows plus G on my keyboard, as you can see that the Windows game bar will not open. So yeah, so as many times as I'm pressing Windows plus G, as you can see that the game bar will not open. And after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to disable Windows game bar in Windows 11.